Following the passing of our President, His Excellency Dr. Kondjeni, the Central Committee of Swapo Party convened an extraordinary meeting to deliberate on the leadership transition. In line with the Swapo Party constitution, the entire rank and file of our party was updated with regards to the following. That after the re-election of Comrade Dr. Netumbo as Vice President of Swapo Party at the 7th Ordinary Congress, she shall be the sole presidential candidate of our party in the 2024 presidential and National Assembly elections. We are only therefore preoccupied with two important missions only, and that are to continue serving our people sincerely and in line with the aims and objectives of Swapo Party, and to collectively deliver a resounding victory for our party and our presidential candidate, who is Dr. Netumbo.